No,
It's
no,
pretty good, but it's
no, leave that. You can leave that down.
Then it might come apart.
Leave that.
Right here. Oh, yeah. Oh, this short guy barely can reach.
Here we are, Fun Fly.
Here we are.
That's 2017 already, Joe. Where's the time go?
Yeah, this is fun.
This is fun.
This is fun.
It's all good. It's all good.
It's for the kids.
It's for the kids, exactly. My dad brought me here 55 years ago when I was 5 years old.
Wow.
So here I am.
And how old are you?
61.
I'm 62.
God bless you. I'll be 62 and
God bless us all.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got great attitudes and we think young.
Yes.
Flying will keep you young as well. We got hard workers right here. Here's the president of the club right here. Good morning.
Good morning. How you guys doing?
Very good. Very good.
Morning. Perfect day.
Perfect day.
Oh, yeah.
Very good, Ron. Looking good. Looking good.
Hey there.
Yeah, well, I was just saying, 5 years.
There she goes. She flies great, mister.
That's all right.
Okay, we're gonna come in for a hover right here, ladies and gents. Look at that. Look at that skill. Like an angry bee.
Hang on, I'll go all the way back here.
All right, good morning, Jim.
Morning.
Good morning, Monica.
Good morning. Hi.
How are you? Welcome to the Fun Fly.
Yes. Yeah. I'm all ready. Just put it down anywhere. Yeah, because I'm just I have to wait.
All right, good morning, Bill.
Hey, Bob. Good morning.
Good morning. I finally made it to help out with the tents here.
Yeah, I'm carrying the ice.
I see that. You're the Iceman. Iceman. Remake, that's gonna be hard to make a remake of that one. That's just too darn good.
Yeah, it's a classic. You can't remake it.
No, you can't remake it.
Yeah, I know.
Go with you and help you. Lift.
All right, there's Felix hard at work.
Try and do it.
That reminds me in Stalingrad, paying out the cable to communicate with the Germans, right? All right, Joe. Here we are again, right?
Yeah.
From last year.
Yeah, we're picking it up from last year. Got the boomerang out here again.
Excellent.
Gonna try and get a flight on it as soon as these guys put their 3D performance on.
Okay, wonderful. And then you got the Vigilante as well. That's going to be coming out pretty soon.
Yeah, hopefully at the end of this season.
That'll be excellent.
Probably try and get a flight on it. So,
I'll videotape you, of course.
all right, I'll let you know.
All right, very good.
Thanks.
You're welcome. All right, here we go again. Long time no see. All right, great. taking off. And your name, sir?
Felix.
All right, Felix. And how long have you been flying now, sir?
You know, I got back in the hobby about 6 years ago. I was in it 20 years ago, and then I had a son. My first plane was a senior cadet.
Excellent.
And I had a boy, and I had to give up my hobbies, raise my kids.
This is
but
great.
I had a deal with my wife that once the kids were growing up, I'd get back into it. So my kids are off in college, and now I'm back into the hobby.
That is most excellent. And now you've been a member of Palos for how many years?
I've been a member for about 4 years. I'm the active president this year.
Excellent.
And actually, I got an interesting story how I got in the hobby. My neighbor's been a long-term 20-year member. When I was a kid growing up, I used to watch my neighbor work on his planes in the yards. And I would tell my folks, I want to get a plane, I want to get a plane.
Excellent.
And over time, I kind of saved my pennies and get the little string planes and all that. And as I got older, they got a little more expensive. But it's funny enough, I'm in the club that my neighbor's in. So I'm actually flying and hanging out with the same guy that inspired me when I was a little kid.
That is most awesome. What's your neighbor's name, please?
Al.
Al, okay.
Ramirez, so.
Excellent,
Al's
excellent.
been flying for about 20 years.
Okay.
Yeah, so I mean, so it went full circle. From a guy who inspired me to fly to actually being in the same club he is. And we live far away from where we started, but we just end up coming together here at Palos.
Excellent,
So
excellent.
Got me back into it. Yeah, definitely.
Most wonderful. Looks like we have a real good turnout then, Felix.
Yeah, I think overall, considering the weather and everything, the crowd looks good. Pilots are excellent. I think we have very little carnage, which is a good thing. Everyone's getting along. Everyone's having a good time. And no medical. Everything's all good to go.
This is great. Here's another thing too with the news. Never listen to the newscast. They predicted 90% rain on Sunday, and here we are. We have 0% right now.
Correct. We have 0%. Little wind, which you want a little wind flying.
Yeah, absolutely. Just a little is fine.
Some days on big planes is sometimes a little handful, but yeah, we're having a good time. Everyone's having a great time, and I'm supposed to be doing music, and so far no complaints on that. But overall, we're doing good.
Very good, very good. And this is Felix and Bob G signing off. Palos.
Thank you.
All right.
Come see us. We always post the shows on the board.
Absolutely. This is what? This is June the 4th?
June the 4th, 2017.
2017.
That's
Where does the
right.
time go?
I don't know.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks, Bob.
Yes. And your name is Joe once again?
Fellung is my name. I'm a member of the Palos RC Flying Club. We're out here today at our annual air show. And I brought a couple airplanes I caught. I brought a Stuka in the background there, a little combat gremlin, and a boomerang jet.
Boomerang jet. How long have you been flying jet now, Joe?
I've been flying RC since 1987 or 89.
89, okay.
Got the jet in the late 90s, so
Excellent, excellent. We'll be looking forward to seeing you fly here shortly with that big old jet.
yeah, we'll give it a shot. Hopefully everything works.
Yes, good turnout today too as well.
We got a good show. Got a good turnout of pilots, and we got a good turnout of spectators. So.
Excellent. That's what we want. We'll have the young ones watch.
And we
so
got
they
the
can.
weather, too.
We got the weather. 0% chance of rain today.
Yeah, hopefully.
You betcha. All right, Joe. Thank you.
Sure.
All right, gentlemen. Welcome to Palos. All right.
I'll have to sign a waiver, you know, or scramble my face.
All right. All right. Good turnout of pilots today.
High end.
How do you like it? Who's your Corsair?
All right, ducted fan, right on.
We already got over 9 grand.
Is it tournament cut?
is cool.
It is cool. I can't wait till I get better at it.
Touching the grass there, that's totally awesome.
Really looks nice. Here comes another nice flyby.
Flying dog over here, check this out. Dude, that's awesome, that flying dog, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yes, yes.
Losing it. I know. Yeah, he saved right.
All righty.
A full slab of ribs is now $23, $22.95.
You ladies did a fantastic job, as always.
Thank you.
You're most welcome. All righty, hello.
Anything to drink while you're here?
I'm fine, I'm fine. I'll probably get another pop later on, thank you.
You better grab it now, so put them away.
All righty, I'll grab one.
What kind?
It's hot dogs and Polish. Hot dog or Polish? Hot dog, please.
All right, hardest working ladies right here, awesome.
Right, they are.
They are.
They're gonna get a raise after this.
They will, they will.
Where are you putting these? Where?
Nice glider you have there, sir. It's beautiful.
It's not my friends.
Excellent,
I'm helping him.
excellent, excellent. Perfect day for flying, my friend.
Yeah, it's perfect.
And your name, sir?
My name is Adam, and this is Marek's glider.
All right.
It's not mine.
Excellent.
I'm helping him.
You're helping him. Excellent. All right, my friend, have a great day.
Thanks so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, mister, what do we have here? What do we have here?
This is a 23-year-old Phoenix rocket glider
That is totally awesome.
using G20 motors. They're the largest motors that the consumer can buy.
G20 is pretty big. Perhaps if they use it on their Saturn V, the ones that they still sell,
Oh, yeah,
Messies.
yeah.
Those are good.
We use it for, I was trying to come up with something clever and witty, but I can't think of it.
Sagwa airplane.
Sagwa Sagi.
The Sagwa Sagi. Very good. Very good. Excellent.
Slight cross, maybe angle it out just a tad. I will, and maybe more even into the wind.
Totally awesome.
Coming kind of this way. Here. 10 degrees and 10 degrees down. It's the way it came out.
What size motor you put in there?
It's a G20.
A G.
Yeah.
Down there.
Oh boy.
We got 3 of them. I'll probably wait a little bit. I'm just a little too nervous. I'm not nervous, but I'm not good enough to be up with a bunch of planes. Okay. I don't want to bust around.
Let me know when. Let me know when you're ready.
Got thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Yep, from
Countdown, my brother.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launching!
Oh, you got it. Well, good launch. Good launch.
Whoa, yeah.
Into the sun. He's all right. He's all right.
Hey, if you can see it, that's good. I see it.
He sees it. He's good.
Yeah.
He's holding right into the wind.
Yeah.
He's a good pilot too. He's got this.
I watched him before on the launch.
You gave me a good launch.
Yeah, he's got a good launch.
That was awesome.
That was awesome. You did a good job. Good telemetry. How'd you get it so good?
Aiming.
I mean, he was right on the money.
That's got to be a wild sound going over those guys.
Yeah,
Like I said, next air show and bringing the camera to put right in.
control that right when he was still on the tail end of your power curve.
Oh yeah, I'm flying it the whole way up. I'm giving it down elevator and keeping the wings level if I want.
Gotcha. You're a darn good pilot. That's excellent.
Boy, that's nice air up there.
Real nice air. You're holding steady.
Yeah, I like that.
World's famous Spectrum DX9 technology at work, ladies and gentlemen.
It's great. It's great.
That's what got me going was glider. Slamming.
Glider landing, ladies and gentlemen.
That's okay. You can keep an eye on it as long as you watch it.
Glider landing, gentlemen.
Coming in, landing.
Landing.
There's the thermal. See the Hawks in it over LaGrange?
Right over LaGrange Road.
Still too high.
There she comes.
Still too high.
Okay. The landing, 9.9, 9.9, 6 from the Russian judge, 10 from USA judge. Awesome.
I get a kick out of your enthusiasm.
That's the only way to be, my friend. Okay, and you state your name and how long you've been flying, my brother.
Rick Hickson, been flying since I was 7. Been flying RC since 1988. This was built in 1993.
Excellent. That rocket glider was phenomenal, and you brought it home right where you took off, my friend. Most excellent.
Yeah, it's a foam wing covered with 1/32 sheet balsa and then covered with tissue paper. That used to be blue,
Totally awesome.
but it's sun bleached.
Excellent. Good flying, my friend.
People out in TV land.
All right. You're going to be on YouTube, sir. All right. Have a great day.
Thank you for being here.
You're most welcome. You've been flying now, sir?
Yeah,
How many years?
20.
20. Excellent. A lot of fun. I enjoyed this sport.
Oh, yeah. Wish I had a better back the last 2 years.
Gotcha. Gotcha. All right.
Great show. Great day.
Great show. Wonderful day.
No little carnage.
No,
A lot of fun.
a lot of fun. Great turnout, as always.
Yeah.
Good turnout. Good turnout. A lot of fun.
Gonna just start packing up.
Thank you. And how long you been flying now, my friend?
About 10 years now.
10 years. You like the ducket fans? Pretty cool?
Yeah.
They're awesome. How about you, Lewis?
Let's see, I've been flying for about 20 years.
Excellent. Excellent.
Yeah, I started when I was about 16, 17 years old.
This is good. I started probably in my mid-30s, about 1994, 1993. Been doing it ever since now. I enjoy this stuff.
Yeah, it was on and off though. So on and off about that long, 20 years.
Gotcha.
Anybody that signed up, that's how you do it. Did you know that?
Halfway.
Hold it halfway.
All the way.
Another good end to a show, gentlemen. Well done.
Very good. Yeah?